Welcome! These next few clips are truly amazing. This amazing portrait shows the person aging as you move from left to right. Snow has turned the landscape into an amazing winter wonderland. Here we have scenes of water splashing in slow motion. This engine is made entirely out of wood and is fully functional.
Now we're stuck on this stupid tower in the middle of nowhere. And I don't blame you, and now we're stuck on this stupid freaking tower in the middle of freaking nowhere. And it's all my fault. 軽蔑してるよね。仕方ないよ。Y es todo por mi culpa.
Oh, you think it's finished? Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba.
This brings a new meaning to the quote, "Swimming with the fishes." Looks like Mama's got a new pet.
What you doing? Easy, fella.
Driver slows down and captures Magpie helping scared and timid hedgehog cross the road.
Shares a branch. Wow.
We've come to the end of this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more amazing videos.